Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Excel rows bigger. Let's start with the quickest methods. You can easily adjust a row's height by simply dragging the bottom boundary of its row header. Just click and pull it up or down to your desired size. For an instant fit, double-click that same boundary line, and Excel will automatically adjust the row to perfectly accommodate its content. This is super handy for quick visual adjustments. For more precise control over your row height, you can specify an exact measurement. Right-click on the row header you wish to modify, then choose Row Height from the context menu that appears. A small dialog box will pop up, allowing you to type in a specific numerical value. Remember, the default row height is typically 15 points, so you can use that as a reference point for your adjustments. This method ensures consistent sizing across your spreadsheet. What if you need to resize several rows at once? It's simple. Just select all the rows you want to change by clicking and dragging across their row headers. Once selected, you can use any of the methods we've discussed. For instance, double-clicking a boundary line will auto-fit all selected rows. Alternatively, navigate to the Format option in the Cells group on the Home tab and choose Auto Fit Row Height for a uniform adjustment. Sometimes, even after resizing, your text might still appear cut off. A common reason is that wrap text isn't enabled. Make sure to turn it on if your content is too wide. Also, be aware that merged cells can sometimes interfere with expected row height behavior, so check for those. Finally, remember that the font size directly impacts how much space your text needs, so adjusting it can also influence automatic row height settings. These tips will help you achieve the perfect layout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.